Good morning students, I am your JP Gupta sir. Today I have brought new video for you. In this video I will start your new chapter memory and storage. In this video we shall discuss about the different type of the memory and different storage devices. So student, let us start with our first topic, bits and byte. So student, as we all know that CPU is the main part of the computer system and it is a brain of the computers. It is also capable of storing the data and information, and we can get it back whenever it is required. So computer store the information and data in byte or bits. So computer can understand only binary language, that is 0 or 1, which is also called binary digits. The amount of data and instruction that can be stored in the computer memory is measured in bytes. So student, as we all know that every computer is capable of storing the data and information. The computer memory can be classified into two types, internal memory and external. Internal memory is also called the primary memory or main memory. This memory stores the information or data for a sort of time. That's why it is also called temporary memory. It is very fast and expensive but has limited storage capacities. It is also called volatile memory because the data is lost whenever the computer is turned off. Primary memory can be classified further into two groups. First is RAM. RAM stands for random access memory. This memory stores the data and information temporarily for a short time. Means whenever you turn off your computer, the data is lost. Second is ROM. ROM stands for read only memory. This memory stores the essential programs that help to run the computer. It is non-erasable and non-rewritable. ROM cannot be changed but can only be read, and it is non-volatile memory. So student, now internal memory is completed here. So student, after that next topic is external memory. External memory is also known as secondary memory. This memory can store huge amount of data and programs, and it is a permanent memory. Means data and programs are stored in the memory until you delete it.